and God was watching out for us. I mean, there's nothing more we can say. It was just a perfect pass.
Drop it. You kept the hook, but then you had to wait a long time, man.
I had 2 days to think about it. 2 days to think about what setup was I going to run. And the setup I was going to run is do the whole shot and get it moving. And we just had it weighted right. We had the power right. And God was watching out for us. I mean, there's nothing more we can say. It was just a perfect pass.
I think Gage just made the right call. I think it was all Gage.
I'm so proud of him. He was my crew chief. I didn't have to do nothing but sit back and watch him work.
Well, you got a fine young man there, Gage. Yeah. Congratulations to you as well. Matt Cain, the Air Force winner tonight. Let's give these guys all a little hand.
Yeah, man. Love you too.